total looks of the Royal Enfield Classic. As you can see, there are disc brake over here, a big disc brake over here, nice headlamps, but there is no digital meter over here, as you can see. And this is a twin spark 350cc engine, as you can see over here. The lovely exhaust deck with a sound in it, a short tail lamp over here. You can see there is a lever given over here just because to stand your bike in a double stand way. This is the key of the Royal Enfield Classic. You have to put it over here. The lights will be automatically on. Okay, that is a big plus point of the Royal Enfield Classic, as you can see. And if you go for the sound, it's awesome. It's like awesome as it always be. Just keep a switch. They have given a switch over here. Just press it. Keep the switch in this way, and here the devil had started. It's roaring.